get on up. About to teach you easy dance, easy dance. Real easy. Y'all professionals, right? Y'all professionals, right? Then it's easy to you, right? He said, sure. All right, next dance I'm going to teach you is called Whatever. Whatever. Oh, whatever. It is a two-part?
Yeah, I think so.
Two-part dance and a tag. Okay? All right. Our first move we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff, 1, 2, tap. I'm so again. 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff, 1, 2, tap. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff, tap. Y'all gotta scream when y'all got it. No, do it again. That was so weird. You just doing extra over there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap. We good? Next move. Out and out. Right, left, right. Okay? Close step. Out and out. Right, left, right. Okay? Put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap. Out. Step. Oh, sound okay. One more again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap. Out. Step. We good? Keep going. One more time. This sounds the same to me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap out and out, coastal step. Next move. Hop, 1, 2, tick, 1, 2, slide. Oh. So you're basically doing this. Hop. So you're basically you're stepping with the right knee up. Hop. Okay? So thank you. So you want to really hop. You like. So you're right here. Hop, right, left, tick, right, left, slide. So it's again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, right, left, tick, right, left, slide. Okay. 2 more games. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 1, 2, tick, slide. 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 1, 2, tick, right and left, slide. Put it all together. I got it too. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, tap, coastal step, hop, 1, 2, tick, right and left, slide. So like a little pause before you get to it. Do it again. Ooh, let them use you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap, out, hop it out, hop, tick, slide, left, right, hold. Left, right, something like that. One more time, so keep going. Do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 1, 2, tap, out, coastal step. Hop, 1, 2, tick, slide, left, right, hold. Left, right, tap, left. So we come here with the slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap. That's all we're gonna do. So right here, with the slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap. All right? They say no? Take from the hop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 1, 2, tick, 1, 2, slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap. How we doing? Nobody's screaming. Do it again. 5, hop it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 1, 2, tick, left, slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap. One more here, right? Do it again. Yeah, y'all use your mind. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 1, 2, 3. Slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap. Put it all together. Woo! We almost finished part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap, out, hop it out, hop, tick, slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap, left. Double. And right. Double. Left back 3/4. Right back full turn. 1, 2, 3. And a ball 1. So once we get here, with the hold, left, right, tap, left, right, double left. Right, left, double right. Left back 3/4 to the front. Right back full turn. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I put it all together. That was the end of part 1. We got one more part. And then the tag. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap, out, hop it out. Hop, 1, 2, tick. Slide, left, right, hold. Left, right, tap, left. Double left. And right. Double right. Left back 3/4. Right back full turn. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Tap, out, hop it out. Hop, tick, slide, left, right, hold, left, right, tap, left. Double. And right. Double. Left back 3/4. Right back full turn. Let's try it with the music. No, I need y'all to feel it before we go on.